how to use My Eyes Only on Snapchat. So if you want to use My Eyes Only on Snapchat, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Snapchat. Once you've opened, you can go with your memories, which is on the bottom left. Once you tap on the memories, then here you will have all of your memories, right? You can just simply swipe right and it will take you to the camera roll section. And if you swipe right, you will have AI snaps. And again, if you swipe, you will have stories. And at last, you will have My Eyes Only. So if you want to use My Eyes Only, then you can just simply go and set up. If you've not set up your My Eyes is the feature where you can save your snaps or save your pictures with a password. So you just need to simply tap on setup and you need to create your password. And after that, confirm your password and then tap on finish and your password will be set. Now you need to enter your password and it will open up your My Eyes. Like for example, if you want to add some photos to your My Eyes, then what you need to do is just simply take a snap, tap on hide, which is on the bottom, tap on move, and it will move that snap to My Eyes. Now, if you go with My Eyes, then as you can see that you will have the image on My Eyes. So that's how you can use My Eyes Only on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.